Hi, Shannon here with the Shannon Jones Team, and today's question is, if I'm paying cash, can I get a discount on a house? And the answer is probably not, but it depends. So this weekend I had someone come through an open house on a beautiful move-in ready home, and she wanted to know, will the seller take less if we're paying cash? And my answer was no, probably not. Because in Long Beach right now, on average, homes are selling for about 105% of list price. And sellers don't actually get more money if the buyer is paying cash versus obtaining a mortgage. So even if you're paying cash, you'll probably need to pay a competitive price to buy a home that's move-in ready, attractive, and well located. However, occasionally, if you're looking online, you'll come across a property that seems like it has a price that's sort of too good to be true. And it's usually because there's something about the property that means it's difficult for a buyer to obtain financing. So it could be that someone got partway through a remodel and then ran out of steam or money, or perhaps there was fire damage or water damage, or there's some other condition that means financing would be a challenge. In that case, sometimes owners will price properties very competitively, hoping to attract cash buyers. So if you're a cash buyer and you come across one of those properties, you are in a great position. Of course, you'll probably be bidding against other cash buyers as well. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know, and thanks for watching.